Effects of poor communication in marriage and relationships. Negative consequences. 1. Misunderstandings and conflicts. 2. Emotional distance and isolation. 3. Lack of intimacy and connection. 4. Trust issues and betrayal. 5. Resentment and anger. 6. Feelings of neglect and abandonment. 7. Decreased relationship satisfaction. 8. Increased stress and anxiety. 9. Relationship breakdown or divorce. 10. Emotional scars and long-term damage. Types of poor communication. 1. Passive-aggressive behavior. 2. Defensiveness and criticism. 3. Stonewalling or avoidance. 4. Lack of active listening. 5. Inconsistent or unclear messages. 6. Dismissive or condescending tone. 7. Unwillingness to compromise. 8. Not expressing needs or feelings. 9. Interrupting or talking over. 10. Lying or withholding information. Causes of poor communication. 1. Different communication styles. 2. Unresolved conflicts or issues. 3. Emotional baggage or trauma. 4. Lack of emotional intelligence. 5. Distractions or busy schedules. 6. Technology addiction or social media. 7. Personal biases or assumptions. 8. Language barriers or cultural differences. 9. Lack of empathy or understanding. 10. Unwillingness to learn or grow. Signs of poor communication. 1. Avoiding discussions or conversations. 2. Feeling unheard or misunderstood. 3. Frequent arguments or conflicts. 4. Lack of emotional intimacy. 5. Feeling disconnected or isolated. 6. Difficulty resolving conflicts. 7. Feeling defensive or criticized. 8. Lack of trust or loyalty. 9. Feeling unheard or ignored. 10. Relationship stagnation. Improving communication. 1. Practice active listening. 2. Use I statements instead of you. 3. Clarify expectations and needs. 4. Show empathy and understanding. 5. Avoid assumptions or biases. 6. Use non-defensive language. 7. Schedule regular conversations. 8. Practice mindfulness and presence. 9. Seek feedback and constructive criticism. 10. Consider couples therapy or counseling. Remember: 1. Communication is key to relationship success. 2. Practice active listening and empathy. 3. Clarify expectations and needs. 4. Avoid assumptions and biases. 5. Seek help when needed.